Hi guys, to those who are still grinding Pin AI, here's the latest update about this project because right now their beta testing for iOS and Android is now live, so you guys can download the application. Try your personalized AI through Pin AI. So I'm gonna show you the application. Let's go to the Play Store, but you guys can also download it through App Store if you're using an iPhone. So let's type in Pin AI. Ayan guys. And this one. Just install it. Okay, so while waiting, to those who haven't heard about Pin AI, this is the first personal AI network and backed by A16Z Crypto, HackVC, Sandeep Nailwal. These ventures are the biggest investors in the crypto space. And right now, they have 361,000 followers on Twitter. So, matagal na din tong Pin AI, guys. Actually, they've started like January. And right now, I'm still grinding points through their Telegram mini app. So, if you guys don't have a Pin AI yet, you can still participate and earn points by doing very simple tasks and try their own AI agent. By the way, Pin AI was also able to raise $10 million in their seed funding. So this is gonna cook as well. This is a big project. They are more on AI. So I'm more focused on this one as well. Now let's go back to the app. Let's open. But by the way, if you don't have a Pin AI yet, I have a complete tutorial on how to create an account and earn more points through their mini app. Just watch that whole video, which I will include on the description link. Get started. Yan. Okay. Agent Pin AI. So just sign up or log in your Gmail. So let me log in using my Gmail. Okay, wait lang. Hanapin natin yung okay, email na lang. So, email. And then, submit. Okay? So, kailangan natin ng code. Kaya, need nyo guys gumamit ng active email na nyo so you can easily verify your email address. Okay, this is the code 697267. Oops. Woohoo. 697. Oh, 267. 267. Yan, success. Ayan guys, makikita nyo naman sa dashboard natin. By the way, to run points for this app, just click on data. Kasi dito, you have to connect your account on MetaMask, Google, Gmail, Facebook, Telegram. But if you guys don't have all these, just choose yung account na meron kayo ha. Okay, so for example, yung Gmail natin. So, I've already connected my Google account, kaya naman right now it's earning points. But to earn even more points, just connect as many as accounts that you have. So Gmail connect and choose Gmail, continue. This is how you guys connect your account. Okay, so makikita nyo naman once na active na siya, mas madadagdagan yung earnings natin. So as of now, there are 2 out of 10 data connected. So let's connect more and choose like Telegram. Okay. No, this is not. 921402879. Just connect your most active Telegram account, okay? Para mas marami yung malaki yung points na may ipon ninyo. And Telegram, open, then confirm. Okay? And then let's go back. Accept. Okay yan. 3 out of 10 connected. So guys, pwede nyo itry actually yung lahat ng account or yeah, meron kayo para mas malaki or mas mataas yung earnings ninyo. And then refer naman guys, if you have more friends who wants to try Pin AI or use personalized agents, then just copy your referral link and send it to your friends, okay? So that's all guys. And if you want more points, just go to their Telegram mini bot Kasi dito guys, pwede rin kayong kumita ng additional points. So, iba yung points na ma-earn nyo dito at iba din doon sa application. Dito naman, i-swipe nyo lang yung screen niyo para makarami kayo ng points. Okay? At mas madagdagan yung data power niyo. You can earn by connecting your social accounts like Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and inviting friends as well. If you have questions, just reach out to me on my Telegram, or you can also join my Telegram group to get the latest airdrops and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!